Well, welcome student. I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I am warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about the GGDT 114 Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. Now, paper number is 4, semester number is first. Now, here today we are going to the learn this topic. Topic name is population distribution. Student, last lecture will be discussed about what is meant by population distribution. Now different scholar will be describe the population distribution as very explanatory. Now here will the population distribution means. Now today's topic is the what is the factors which are the factors affecting population distribution as well as the density. Now student will be discussed for today's topic factors affecting population distribution and density. Now student, this is the topic population distribution is factors affecting distribution of populations, mainly density definition and type. Factors affecting density and populations, population density of India, urbanization definition and stages, trends and level of urbanization are the discussed in the topic population distribution. Now student, factors affecting distribution of population and density, mainly the spatial spread of population in the world is not any adequate, means a pairing of found of energy everywhere. Not there are wide regional contrast in the degree of concentration of population, giving the highly variable density of different part of the world. According to the population statistics of United Nations, on an average, around the 50% to share each kilometer in the world. Asia had a density around more than 100% per square kilometer, is mostly densely populated content of the continent of the world. Europe had the second position as the three around 50% per each kilometer in the Europe. The demographic factor of natural rate of increase had largely have been responsible to spread crowding of the continent of Asia. The continent of Asia, Africa, and density around the 25% per square kilometer content continue to be the third ranking of population continent of the world. It is followed by the North America, Latin America, Oceania, which had been dense area around respectively. Many of approximation have been made by the scholars like Trivarta, Clark, and other the proportion of area and proportion of population to highlight the fact of regional contrast in the degree of population concentration at a micro level. It has been estimated that about 80% of the world population was concentrated in only about 20% of the world total of land area. At micro level, this the contrast of population distribution and concentration are perhaps sharper. For instance, in China, one may walk for miles together without any encountering any settlement in the western part of the country. But as soon as one enters the more crowded eastern part of the country, the people are almost jammed together. The coastal area of Japan also presents such as a contrast with their not very densely located mountains interior. In India, to mostly densely populated tract, the Indo-Gangetic Plain offers similarly contrast conditions where the compared with these neighboring Shivalik regions is very low density. Similarly, the broad triangle in the from USSR still continues support huge population concentration is contrast to the far east despot is Wagner's companion. Me, all the part of state is bring more and more areas is fast year under effective settlement. In Indonesia, also in Iceland, Java continues to be the most population part of the country, in a sharp contrast to the other island. Not only that, it has at places it has been found of the densely populated areas and sparsely populated or context almost just portion yielding sharp edge and boundaries between two. The regional contrast of the population distribution of the density are governed by the variety of factors. Much have been written with the factor determining the geographical distribution of population among the international regions, countries, among the national subdivisions in this regard. Now, population studies and determinants. Now, the consequence of population trend offer perhaps the most applicable account. All the factors affecting the population distribution and density may be broadly classified into the following categories. Mainly, This is the first one as two. All we have the will see that the distribution of the population on the surface of the earth is very uneven. Cause for this disparity vary from time to space, means here will be disparity with time and space. And then opinions of geographer vary regarding this factor influencing the distribution of population. It will not proper to say the natural factors not only influence distribution of the population. Means population increasing rapidly in areas where there is scope of economic development, and where several factors for our human settlements are very important here. Now we in the areas where the conditions are favorable for the development of agriculture, industry, transportation and trade. The carrying capacity of land is high, such as area is accommodated more people. Mainly, the condition for suitable for human health play an important role to influencing the distribution of population. Now, here due to the advanced environment and very little scope of economic development, very important here to cold and to hot areas like cold and hot desert, very low density are found in. Mainly, these are the due to the some environmental condition and the factors affecting to distribution of populations. And now here to be the factors influencing the distribution of population can be grouped in all the into the five category. Mainly these are the some factors, and these are the some introduction to the factors influencing the distribution of the population. Now, these are the population influencing distribution of population. Factor influencing distribution of population can be grouped into the five category. Now, first one is historical factor, second one is geographical factor, third one is a socio-economic factor, mainly next one is a political factor, next one is demographic factor, and now these some demographic factors. These are the some five category for the factors are group factors group or influence to the factors distribution of population. Mainly the historical factor, geographical factor, socio-economic factors, political factor and demographic factor. These are the five groups to the distribution of population. Now discuss one by one. Here, first of all, the historical factors. This is first of all historical factor is very important during this during the influence then affects to the distribution of population. Mainly during is a particular period, particular factor influencing the distribution of population is temporarily or permanently. Mainly this is very important here. The factor influencing the temporary or rather permanently include the administration, executive authority, empire, judiciary, etc. For example, after shifting cultivation may have developed a sedentary agriculture. Now here he settled the fertile river valley where the water was available. Early civilization evolved in this river valley. Mainly these human groups have become a powerful and established there have hold over this is area by taking advantages for the favorable geographical condition. Now this is the cause of a cultural diversity have such a historical background. Another example can be given from the India. Formerly in India, there are very kingdom established by people who came from outside. Mainly the ruler belonging to various regions, caste and races, such as historical and cultural diversity, create the problem and social integrations. Means the world war and repressive measures to the ruler force self to migrate and their countries as a large scale. Mainly here, very important here to discuss the war and do changes to administration, war, repressive measures, revolution, revolts, social increase, insecurity, all influence the distribution of population. Mainly here will be discussed for the different changes from measures to the revolution and security and population in Asian periods. There are the some example people moving the place security since the 18th 16th century. The large number of people from old world moved to the new world. Initially, East India Company was established Kolkata lead the movement of large number of people to the Calcutta and lead the emergence into the mega city with the very high population density. During the uh, for moving the village security, a large number of people sailed were to the Africa, various part of the world. Large number of Indians were taken the various British colonies and Sri Lanka, Fiji, Mauritius, Malaysia, and were toward the commercial farms. Mainly during the 18th and 17th century, large number of people sailed to the Africa. Mainly here will be discussion of the fertile as well as the some historical background, then administrative, then permanently. Most of the yearly civilization involve the river valleys. The human groups become the powerful, establish a hold over area taking the advantages of favorable geographical condition. Cause of the historical diversity of such a background, very important here. Another example we will discuss a rural background diversity problem and social integration already discussed here. Now, very important here thing these so historical factor. Similarly, example could given the various part of the world. In Ireland, due to the famine to prevent further subdivision of agricultural land, the government decided that after the death of the father, the entire land should be the transfer of the elder son. As the result, the other son lost of the legal right over the land and migrate to the continent of America in search of livelihood. In Russia, World War is representative repressive measures to ruler force self migrate to the countries at a large scale because different difference with the Hitler and his administration, a large number of Germans left Germany before the Second World War. After the Second World War, new country Israel was created for Jews. Immediately after this large number of Jews and spread all over the world moved to Israel a large number of scale. Here large number of refugees came to the India result war liberation of Bangladesh in 1971 because of the wars between the Iran and Iran, the war between Iran and Iraq, between Iraq and Kuwait, a large number of Asians came back to the countries in origin. All the historical event and influence the distribution of populations. Here will be these are the some examples and these are the historical factors. Now go to the next point, geographical factors. Mainly this is the geographical factor very important here to the important along with the historical factors. Geographical factors also influence the distribution of the population. Mainly importance among their the physiography, then geology, climate, geographical locations, then water resources, soil, forest and minerals. Means these are the geographical factors. These affect for the population distribution. Now here this is the very important here to a careful study of distribution of population over the globe show is 80% of population is concentration belt extending from the 20-degree north to 60-degree north latitudes. Now here very important here to the overall the globe population is 80% of population concentrated in the belt of 20-degree north to 60-degree north latitudes. Mainly 10% are found in the southern hemisphere. Only 10% population is found in the southern hemisphere. Now 75% of the world population live in the continent of Europe and Asia. Mainly is very important here. Now next one is one third world population are found within the 50 kilometer from the coast. And then 50 kilometer from the coast. Now next is the population is concentrated in the coastal regions and peninsulas. These are the some highlighted. Yes, as the right to mean sea level increase, the density of population decrease. Means as the height from the mean sea level is increased, then density population is decreased. These are the some here. Now 80% of world population therefore is found in the region from altitude as less than 400 meters. Very important here. These are the some geographical things, geographical around to the distribution of populations. Now, next one is the following geographical factor influence the distribution of populations. Mainly, here the topographical features. Mainly, one of the basis of height. First of all the first of all on the base. Base is important to height for topographical feature to identify and is effect from the population distribution. On the basis of height, topographical feature can be grouped into the three broad categories. Mainly, broadly a region with considerable height of the main sea level having the steep slope is called as a mountain regions. Broadly, a region is considerable height from the mean sea level having the steep slope. It is called as a mountains region. Now, second, are regions from the moderate height. A region with the moderate height with the even surface of the top of is called as a plateau. Then first one is a mountain region, second one is a plateau regions. This is the difference between the mountain and as well as plateau region. Now third one, an even surface almost at the sea level, it is called as a plain. Means these are the some three features. These topographical features. First one is mountain, second one is plateau, third one is plain. These are the basic difference. Basic definition of mountains regions, plateau region, and plain regions. Now, here mountain regions we will discuss one by one topographical features. Here, first of all, the steep mountains regions have a low population density because what is because the because is the first reason is there are very cold and so living and farming condition very harsh. It is too steep for roadways and railways there of the area or the remote. And now it is too steep on which the build houses, factories to use the farm machinery and job opportunities are very few. These are the some region here is the population density is very low. Now here, the flat and gently sloping area of the high population distribution and density is high because it is easy to build houses and factories. Now farming is more productive because soil is deeper, machinery can be used. Now roads or railways can be built, which is encourage industry. Now, next one is mountains. Mountains means regards the distribution of population is concentration. Mountains play a both favorable as well as unfavorable roles. Very important here. Now, next one is the density of population become the very low is mountains region with altitudes of more than 500. Now, here slopes of mountain is such regions is very steep means is very near to the land in mountains region therefore is eroded rapidly. Land is this regions is rocky and inference. Grazing and forestry are the important occupation of in the regions. In the regions where these occupation are practiced, density of population is relatively high. Means here very important due to the poor accessibility of mountain region, possibility of large industrial establishment are remote. They also lead to the overpopulation density. Very important here overpopulation density. In mountains region, length of growing the seasons is very short. Now, these are the important here to the very important to the mountain regions. Now, slum slope mountain regions eroded rapidly, and grazing forestry are the important occupation in the regions. In the regions where this is occupation practice, density of population relatively high. Due to the accessibility of mountain region, possibility of a large established remote. There, this is also lead to the lower population density. In mountain regions, length of growing seasons is very short. The crop of need in sufficiently large growing the season cannot not therefore grow. The type of crops that are the possible there are, therefore are limited as altitude from the main sea level increase proportion of oxygen are decline. Regions with very high altitude therefore are not suitable for human settlement. Population is small due to the substance of lines of communication, scarcity of water during the dry season. As against this is a hill station, places of tourist interest, sunny slope, origin of springs, mining contrast attract people even though the located are in mountain regions. In Asia, during the monsoon season, orographic rainfall is caused by due to the mountains. Mountains therefore is considered as an asset in the mountains regions Economic activities are concentrated in valley. Transport routes also pass through valley. Very good example of this is Alps and Europe, Rockies now in North America. Sites of hydropower station in mountains regions also attract population. River originated in mountains region due to the steep slope. Water came down with the speed. The speed is utilized the produce of the hydropower. People move to the such area, run to the hydropower station. Mountaineers of Himalayas, Andes, Tibet get to the use of type of altitude. Mountains in Europe are relatively small. Settlement in such regions are gently found up to the altitudes in 1500 meter. The Appalachian even surface has a prefer for man for settlement. In the equatorial regions, human settlements are generally found up to the altitude of 3000 meters. As the present day, due to the healthy environment, many mountains peak have become health resort, attracting the more peoples. Very important here will be discussed to the second point, the plateau. This plateau is important to the is a plan as a plateau. Plains is the highest altitude is called as a plateau. Very important here. Normally, plateau are suitable for the human settlement. However, in which climate zone the plateaus are decided to the density of population. For example, Deccan Plateau. Now, hill station place in tourist places, sunny slope, region springs, meaning centers attract people toward the location of the mountain regions. In Asia, during the monsoon season or rainfall during of the monsoon season, mountains there is considered. Mountains region, the economic activity is concentrated in valley. Transport routes that pass away the valley. Very good example there are the Alps, Europe, Iraq, America. Site of hydropower station, mountains regions in attract the people. River originate of mountains regions due to the steep slope water income. The speed of the utilized power produce hydropower, people move to the such areas, run to hydropower stations. Now plateaus. Plans is higher, it is called as plateau. Normally plateaus are the suitable for the human settlement. Mainly, however, in which climate zone, the plateaus lie the decided the density of population. For example, Deccan Plateau, since the located of monsoon climatic zone, it is a relatively high population density, while the Arabian Plateau and Gobi Plateau in Tibet, which is the extreme climate, very scanty rainfall, have a very few peoples. Now, here the Deccan Plateau and African Plateau have the fertile soil. Very important here. Now in India, a large part of the Deccan Plateau is covered with the black cotton soil. Mainly here to the large part of here irrigated of the water and wells, canal, tanks and lakes. Varied crops therefore are taken into the regions, along with the development of transport network, availability of minerals like coal, iron, etc. lead to the development of mining and the important economic activity of concentration of population in vicinity of mining of center. Chota Nagpur Plateau is good example in the population, because of all these density of populations, plateau is relatively high on the plateau. On the ground, the ground level is very deep. Availability of waters become problem, which is affect distribution of populations. Now, varied crops of the region, development of transportation network, availability of manure, coal. Then Chota Nagpur Plateau is India good example. The density of population is plateau relatively high. The ground levels very deep. Ability of become problem is affect distribution of population. Now plains. Plains is most of the plains are river plains, deltas. Now important rivers plains in the world is the most prominent Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra, then Iravati, Oyango, Mississippi, Nile, Angase. In such a example, in such a areas, transportation network developed due to the exit level of land. Now, easy exchange of goods and ideas is possible to which help to growth of development of trade. Now, in India, the dense railway and road network are found in the Ganga plain. Um, Ganga Pen. Alluvial brought by the rivers from their first and second stage is spread over the plain. Now track. Fertile soil gets accumulated due to the alluvial brought by the river for agriculture. There are the some important agriculture available from wells and uh, canals. Now two or three more crops now here for agriculture fertility. Then irrigation is available from the well and canals. Now two or three crops in the year are taken. Agriculture production is high due to the rotation of crops and diversity of crops. Agrobased industries, trade and transport and communication have been developed due to the prosperous agriculture. Hence large number populations have a concentration plane of the words. Very important here will be discussed. These are the some topographical feature: plateau, plain, and mountains. Now here is the reason of some reason of population distribution. The reason of all human distribution of population can be divided into the physical as well as human. Physical factor, relief and shape as land. First of all, the high density here depend. The flat area is easy to build home, industry, job, communication on the road and railways. The soil is usually deeper, the more fertile and more food from the growth of the people living there is Ganga Valley and India. Oh, low density. Where is low density? Where density area is the high speed and steep experience of a colder, wetter climate, making it more difficult to grow crop. The steepest makes it hand to build on a grow crops because the soil is easily washed to the bottom to the slope. Means these are the some reasons to the distribution of the high density. Where is the high density? Where is the low density? Where is the high population distribution is more and where is less? These are the some reasons of the distribution of population. There are the two remote, for example, Himalaya. Student, today we will be discuss of these factors affecting the distribution of population, mainly geographical factor, topographical factor, mountain, plain, plateaus. There and historical factor will be discussed. Now today, student, any doubt, any queries for today's lecture, means write a mail. And now student will be discussed next lecture another factors affecting of the distribution of population. To be continued. Bye bye.